Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My respected teacher, guests, and dear brothers, I have been given the chance to give a brief introduction to Mahad Tayyib. Dear audience, the Mahad is an Islamic educational institution serving Muslim community actively. It has gained more fame and faith of Muslim and the great scholar at a large scale. The great scholar not only certified it but applauded for its noble activities. Dear brothers, the Mahad was established in the year of 2015 in the memory of Hakimul Islam Qari Tayyib Sahab, the great Islamic scholar. He was the principal of global famous big Islamic university Darul Uloom Deoband with a noble cause to impart Islamic education to the Muslim minority community. At present, there are more than 50 students in different level of institute. They are quenching their educational thirst. The syllabus of Mahad was made by Islamic scholar. One of them is Maulana Shahid Sahab, the teacher of famous Islamic University Darul Uloom Waqf Deoband. The syllabus is very simple to learn a lot of Islamic knowledge, not only for children but for adults also. For nursery, there are more Dua Nabawi and Hadith to memorize with Nurani Qaida and Ampara to the 13th part of the Holy Quran. And for higher students, there are more knowledge of Islamic history and social life of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to learn in the syllabus. The Holy Quran is taught with correct pronunciation and excellent sound. The founder of this Mahad is Maulana Amir Zafar Sahab Qasmi. He is serving actively for Muslim community in Islamic educational field. May have live long. May Allah this institution keep on progress. Ameen.